Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the address on your UK provisional driver's license or driving license. So this is worth doing right away because it keeps your record correct and makes sure letters go to the right place and helps you avoid a fine for having the wrong address. So a quick heads up, I can't show you the steps on the screen, but I'll talk you through it step by step. So you just follow along. So first go to the official gov.uk page for changing your driver's license address and click Start Now. Use the next back buttons on the form itself, so don't use your browser's forward or back buttons. You might see a quick security pop up. Just click Next if it appears, enter your title, first name, last name, date of birth, and place of birth, then hit Next. So for your address, type your postcode, and if your home appears in the list, pick it and click Next. So if it doesn't choose none of the above, then manually enter your full address, including flat, unit, number. You also see summary, so check if it looks right. The form needs your address history for the last 3 years. If you've been at your new place less than 3 years, add your previous addresses until the total covers more than 3 years. So if you've lived outside the UK during that time, choose otherwise to enter your address and then pick non-GB address, type the country and add how long you've lived there. Next, you may be asked for your national insurance number and UK passport number. So these are optionals. And you will need details from your license, the card issue number, 2 digits on the front, and your photo card number. So usually on the back or bottom right. So confirm whether you're disqualified from driving. Select no if you're not. You also see an option to sign up for organ donation. So it's totally your choice. Enter and confirm your email address, tick the declaration to confirm everything is accurate, and review the whole form for any edits. Complete the customer review and submit. So, a couple of important notes before we wrap up. Updating your address is free, and not updating it can lead to 1,000 penalty. You can keep taking driving license while you wait for your updated license to arrive. So, thank you so much for watching. So, for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.